and welcome to XQ. In this demo, we'll show you how to install and set up XQ's Outlook add-in for your Outlook 365 group. To get started, log in as your organization administrative account in the Microsoft Office dashboard. Click on the Admin button in the navigation bar. In the Administrator dashboard, click the Show All vertical ellipsis in the navigation bar, followed by clicking the Settings option and Integrated Apps tab in the drop-down menu. Click the Get Apps button and type XQ in the search field. Click Get It Now on the XQ Secure Mail add-in. This will then trigger a basic information model, so fill out the corresponding fields with your information and press Continue. Once complete, the Deploy New App window will appear where you can choose which users you want to assign the XQ Secure Mail add-in. If you want to set up XQ Secure Mail for your entire organization, select that option followed by pressing Next. Press Next to provide XQ permissions and click Finish Deployment. Outlook will now deploy the XQ add-in to the users in your Microsoft 365 group. Once deployment is complete, click Done. In order to complete the setup, your group users will need to navigate to Outlook.com. Then, open the XQ add-in by clicking the New Message button and then clicking the XQ icon in the menu bar, followed by clicking the Encryption Settings in the drop-down menu. At the bottom of the Encryption Settings menu, click the Login button. Click the Send Confirmation Email button and close the window. A confirmation email will then appear. The email will be titled XQ Temporary Credentials, so be sure to check your spam or junk mail if you do not see the confirmation email in your main inbox. Open the email and click the Confirm Your Account button. To finalize the setup process, click any email and click the XQ icon in the menu bar, followed by clicking Read with XQ in the drop-down menu. Click the Workspace icon to launch your workspace. In the XQ dashboard, click the Team button in the XQ navigation menu. Under Team, you'll be able to review who is currently provisioned as a team member, what each team member's role is, and also have the option to add new team members. Your team members will then receive an email invitation to access your team's dashboard. Additionally, you have the ability to import multiple users at once by clicking the Import button. Click Get Templates in order to receive the JSON and CSV file templates required to bulk upload contacts. Open the CSV template from your local file system and input your team members' information. The role indicates the new user role in the company and must be admin, user, vendor, or customer. Once you have populated the spreadsheet, simply drag and drop into the drop zone, followed by clicking Import. Your Microsoft 365 group is now ready to send quantum-secured encrypted messages and files using Outlook.